Greetings, Smart Bone here. We're going to be looking at how we can add bullet right in our Google Doc right here. Yes, bullet. So if you're using Google Doc or not familiar how to get the bullet, I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to get the bullet. So for instance, you have one paragraph, two paragraph, three paragraph. I want bullets for these paragraphs. I'm going to block them like that. I want to come right up here to formatting. Notice you see text, you see paragraph right here, see indent right here, line, bulletin and so forth, header and footer, so forth right here. So definitely when you go to the formatting tab, you see all of these. So what I want to focus right here is the bullet. You notice it said number right here. So these are the different types of bullets we have right here. So if we select this one, this is how it look right here. So if I go back again to where the bulletin is, alright, so I'm going to choose this one. So exactly what it look like here. Alright, let me test them out and see exactly how they look like. Alright, if you notice, these are the bullets again. Alright, so look at some different set. Alright, look at this one. Notice this is a bullet so far. So yeah, different type of bulletin which I can actually check out. Definitely, yes. So this is how you actually add bullets right here in your Google Doc. Alright, so remember, share, like and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.